What if the future isn't just near, it's here? 2025 marks a pivotal moment in robotics, as human-like machines blur the lines between humanity and technology. From streets to convention floors, revolutionary creations are dazzling the world. Let's dive into the innovations that may forever reshape our lives. Imagine a robot comfortably navigating the public world, holding conversations, and learning as it interacts. Meet ENGINE AI SE01, the groundbreaking bot ready to coexist with humans in complex real-world settings. Its lifelike design and ability to adapt make society's integration with artificial intelligence more seamless than ever. A bold vision unfolds as Tesla releases 500,000 functional bots, unmatched in their speed and precision. These humanoids aren't just robots, they're an extension of the workforce, capable of tackling industrial tasks, home assistance, and even companionship. Tesla's monumental step forwards is redefining automation at an unprecedented mass scale. CES 2025 unveiled Realbotix Melody, an AI humanoid so advanced it feels eerily alive. Focusing on emotional intelligence, Melody excels in forming human-like connections. She represents the next evolution of personal robots, not just intelligent, but deeply intuitive, signaling a future where empathy and technology harmoniously converge. Each of these revolutionary bots, ENGINE AI SE01, Tesla's 500K bots, and Realbotix Melody, demonstrates how robotics is moving beyond tools to become collaborators, companions, and cohabitants. The age of human-like robots has begun, pushing the boundaries of what machines can achieve with us and for us. The robots of 2025 offer glimpses of a world transformed, one powered by lifelike AI companions, reshaping our work, relationships, and day-to-day lives. Ready to explore more and join this bold future? Subscribe now for the latest updates and become part of the movement redefining innovation today.